Exercise 2.2 of class 11 related to the relations. Now question number 1 is let A equal to 1, 2, 3, 4 up to 14. Define a relation R from A to A by R equal to xy such that 3x minus y equal to 0. This is the relation 3x equal to y where x and y belongs to A. Write down its domain, codomain and range. Codomain is a whole set A. The relation is given that xy is such that 3x minus y, it means 3x equal to y, where xy belongs to A. The both number belongs to a set A. The set A is given that 1, 2, 3 and so on, 14. And the last is 14. Now the range is, the relation set becomes 3x equal to y. It means if 1 then 3 times y. 2, 6, 3, 9 and 4, 12. 5, 15 possible nahi कि 15 is not the element of set A. These are the relation set. In this relation set we can say that the domain of R. Domain of R means the first letter of first number of set of first number is the domain. Okay. And the range is range of R 3, 6, 9, 12. This is the range. And the codomain means all the elements 1, 2, 3, 4 up to 14. This is the codomain. The codomain is like this. This is a domain. Next, codomain. And last, range. This is the range. Suppose in the domain 1, 2, 3, 4. Codomain 1, 2, 3, 4 up to 14. And the range is only 3, 6, 9, 12. 1 related to 3, 2 related to 6 and this and x. These are the range. And codomain is the whole set. Okay. Now question number 2. Define a relation R on a set N of natural numbers R equal to xy such that y equal to x plus 5 and x is a natural number less than 4. Xy belongs to N. Depict this relationship using roster form. Write down the domain and the range. Okay, xy and x is less than 4. Okay, the relation R written in the such and set builder form. First, xy is related to such that y equal to x plus 5 and x is a natural number. X is a natural number and less than 4 and such that x, y both belongs to natural numbers. This is a relation. Okay. Now make in a roster form. The roster relation becomes, it means 1, if x equal to 1, y equal to 6. 2, 7, 2 plus 5, 7, 3, 8 and less than 4. So we can't take x equal to as a 4 because x is less than 4. Only these three sets is a relation set. We can now the domain of relation is 1, 1, 2, 3. First letter 1, 2, 3 is a domain and the range equal to 6, 7, 8. This is in the roster form, domain and range. Okay. Question number 3. A equal to 1, 2, 3, 5. B equal to 4, 6, 9. Define a relation R from A to B by R x y. The difference between x and y is odd. X belongs to A and y belongs to B. Write R in the roster form. Set A 1, 2, 3, 5 and B 4, 6, 9. A equal to, set A is equal to 1, 2, 3 and 5. And set B equal to 4, 6, 9. Okay. The relation between A and B is xy such that the difference between x and y is a odd number. The difference between x and y is a odd number. Okay. And xy belongs to a natural number. Xy belongs to a natural number. X belongs to A and Y belongs to B. Okay. And X belongs to set A and Y belongs to B. Now make a relation set. The difference of 1, 4, odd number, 4 minus 1, 3, 1, 6, odd number, 1, 9, not a odd number, 2, 4, not a odd number, 2, 6, no, 2, 9. And 3, 3, 4, 3, 6, 3, 9, no, 5, 4, 5, 6, only. Not a natural number. X belongs to A and Y belongs to B. Okay. This is a relation set. Question number 4. Figure 2.7 shows a relationship between sets P and Q. Write this relation in a set builder form and roster form. What is its domain and range? This is a 5, 6, 7, 3, 4, 5. Okay. First in set builder form and second in the roster form. What is the difference? Difference is 2. 3, 5. 5 minus 3, 2. 6 minus 4, 2. 7 minus 5, 2. Now the two sets, set P, the elements of P is 5, 6, 7. And Q set 4, 3, 4, 5. The elements are 3, 4, 5. Okay. Now the set builder form. Set builder form. Set builder form means R equal to xy belongs to y equal to x minus 2. Y equal to x, this is the x, minus 2 is 3. Y equal to x minus 2. It means x belongs to a set P and y belongs to a set Q. This is a set builder form. Okay. And in the roster form, relation sets are 5, 3, 6, 4 and 7, 5. This is in roster form only. Okay. Question number 5 is A equal to 1, 2, 3, 4, 6. Let R be the relation of A defined by AB. A and B belongs to A and B is exactly divisible by A. Write a relation in roster form. Domain, find the domain of relation and find the range of the relation. This is a set A. 1, 2, 3, 4, 6. A relation between A and B such that AB belongs to a set A. B is exactly divisible by the number A. The second number is exactly divisible by the first number. Now the relation is 1 is exactly divisible by 1, 2 is divisible by 1, 3 is divisible by 1, 4 is divisible. It means B number is divisible by A, 6 is divisible by 1. Now 2 divisible by 2, and 4 divisible by 2, 6 divisible by 2. Next 3 divisible by 3, 6 divisible by 3. Again 4 divisible by 4 and 6 divisible by 6. 4 by 4 and 6. These are the relations. This is a relation set. Set of all the relations. Okay. It means one related to one related to r, and so on. Now the domain. Domain of the relation is first number. First means 1. 1 is common. 2, 3, 4, 6. All the first element of the relation set is domain. And the next range of R, all the second elements of the relation set. 1, 2, 3, 4, 6. These are the range of relation set. Okay. The next question number 6. Determine the domain and range of the relation R defined by R. X, x plus 5. X belongs to 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. इसी में से हमको एक रिलेशन सेट बनाना है, उसी का डोमेन एंड रेंज बताना है. पहले रिलेशन सेट बनेगा, देन डोमेन एंड रेंज. The relation is such that x comma x plus 5. This is the, it means x belongs to the set 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay. Now the relation set अब बनाना है हमको कैसा, x इसी में से लेना है, यानी फर्स्ट नंबर 0, तो 0 plus 5, 0, 5. In the roster form we can write first x 0, then second number 5. If 1, then the 6, 2, 7, 4, 3, 8, and 4, 9, and 5, 10. सिर्फ यहीं तक बनेगा. x 5, 5 plus 5, 10. This is a relation set. Now the domain equal to the first 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. This is a domain. And the range second 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. This is the range. Next, question number 7. Write a relation R. X is such that x cube. X is a prime number less than 10 in the roster form. X and x cube is a relation. X is a prime number less than 10. The relation set. Given that x and x cube. Okay. And x is a prime number and less than 10. Prime number and less than 10. Less than 10. This is a relation set. So we can write the prime numbers less than 10 are prime numbers less than 10 equal to 2, 3, 5, 7. They are the four numbers which are less than 10. So make a relation set such that the first number 2 and cube of 2 is 8. Next 3, cube of 3 is 27. 4, 5, 125, and 7, 2, 3, 5, 7, 7, 343. The cube of prime numbers 2, 3, 5, 7, then the cube of 2, 3, 5, and 7. In this domain is 2, 3, 5, 7 and range 8, 27, 125 and 343. Next, question number 8. Let A equal to x, y, z and B equal to 1, 2. Find the number of relations from A to B. Okay. 8. If A equal to x, y, z and B equal to set B 1, 2. Now the product of these two sets. Number of first x1, x2, x3, x1, x2, x3, no, y1, y1, y2 and z1, z2. These are the multiplication set A into B. It means A into B, number of A into B is, number of elements in A into B equal to 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Then the number of subsets, of किसी भी सेट के सबसेट्स का नंबर होता है 2 raised to power n. It means 2 raised to power 6. Therefore, number of relations equal to 2 raised to power 6. 2 raised to power m into n. The formula was m into n. It means 2 raised to power 3 into 2. 2 raised to power 6. Next and last question. Let R be the relation on Z defined by R equal to AB, where A, B belongs to Z and A minus B is an integer. Find the domain and range of R. Okay. The relation of 9 is given that such that AB, AB is such that AB belongs to a Z means integers. AB belongs to integer and A minus B is a integer. It means all the integers AB. So we know that the difference between two integers is always an integer. Therefore, domain of relation is also an integer and range of a relation is also a integer. कोई भी इंटीजर हम डालेंगे तो दूसरा आंसर भी इंटीजर ही आएगा. Therefore, domain and range both will be integer Z. It means domain of relation is Z and range of relation is Z. Okay.